Good day to each and everyone. I am Charles Churag from HA11. Let's be honest, and social media is a big part of our lives. It's where we talk, friends, share moments, get entertained, and even learn new things. But as fun as it is, we also know it has downsides when it's not used responsibly. How many times we have said, I'm just scroll for 5 minutes. Then suddenly it's midnight and we haven't touched our homework. Or maybe we seen posts that spread hate, fake news, or hurtful comments. Things like that don't just stay online. They affect us is real life too, whether it's our grades or mental health or our relationships. That's we being responsibility. Is social media matters. It's about thinking before we post, respecting others online, and making sure what we shared is true. Social media can be powerful. It can inspire people, and spread positively, and bring us closer together. But it's up to us to use it is the right way. Let's choose to be responsibility to spread kindness instead of hate and to use social media to help us grow, not drag us down. Because once we hit share, it's out there and sometimes it can stay forever. One wrong post can affect how people see us. Way when is the future. So before we post, let's ask ourselves, is this kind? It is true? It is necessary? If not, maybe it's better late unsent. Thank you, and I hope we all remember that we do online reflects who we are in real life.